When lives are on the line, our courageous first responders answer the call. As they rush to protect us, Braun Ambulances leads the way, protecting them and their patients.
At Braun, we don't just want to meet existing industry standards. We strive to create and set new industry standards. Our intent with the IMPACT Airbag System with RollTek technology is to provide the option to our customers on a few of our models as we continue to evolve and develop new innovations around safety.
Braun. We're built for life and tested to protect it like no other manufacturer.
From a safety perspective, Built for Life is about occupant protection for the crews, patients, and personnel. We want to build a solid structural foundation for them so that if they know they're ever involved in an accident, they're going to be protected on the inside of that ambulance.
With safety, we go the distance. In 2016, Braun was the first to conduct a side impact collision and rollover test with one goal in mind: advancing safety through innovation. Now Braun Ambulance announces another safety advancement around occupant protection. Introducing Braun's IMPACT Airbag System with Rolltech, an option designed to protect EMTs in every seating position.
The purpose of the airbag is to provide better coverage and safety for the occupants. The airbags will deploy at the appropriate timing based upon the conditions of the side impact rollover event. The deployed airbags will absorb the energy of the occupants when impacting the solid surfaces and reduce the excursion of the occupants' bodies.
IMPACT Airbag System with Rolltech technology includes deployable airbags upon a side impact rollover event. So whether you're seated in the captain's chair, you're in the CPR seat, or you're at the squad bench, you'll have an option to add those airbag modules on select models.
And we didn't stop there. Braun's IMPACT Airbag System also features progressive resistance padding at head strike points and advanced restraints on the CPR, head, fore, and aft bench seat.
We use high-speed imaging to watch the occupants as they displace throughout the crash event. We also use that to monitor where the bags are inflating and to see the coverage of the occupant once they've contacted the bags. The combination of the foam and the airbag system gives us the desired results we're looking for, which is to cut the Hick scores in half or more. Advanced rollover testing measures Hick values or head injury criteria. Tests are first performed without airbag protection. With this baseline injury value recorded, the test is performed again, this time engaging IMPACT Airbag System with Rolltech and additional energy absorbing padding.
The results? An ambulance like no other. An ambulance that is built for life.
You have to have a solid foundation from the construction of the ambulance. You have to have a great seat base in of itself. And in a great structure for the seat, you also have to have harnessing, and that seatbelt harnessing plays an important role. We can put airbag technology into the back of an ambulance, but if you're not buckled in, it's not going to work as it should and provide a greater level of protection.
That's safety with impact. With this new option, Braun is delivering a safer product than ever before, protecting the Braun family of paramedics, EMTs, and first responders as they care for their patients.
Braun has always been known for safety. The new IMPACT Airbag System with Rolltech technology builds on that legacy and advances Braun's mission to protect the greatest asset we have in this country, which is our first responders.
When it comes to finding new ways to protect our first responders, we always answer the call. Braun Ambulances, built for life.